Samsung plans to release its latest Galaxy S24 line of smartphones in January 2024, and lots of significant details about the phones has already leaked online. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in a variety of hues, including titanium black, titanium gray, titanium yellow, and titanium violet. Interestingly, the name titanium is also the name of the material used for the phone's frame, therefore the names of the colors will include the word titanium in them to highlight this unusual characteristic. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus SIM trays have disclosed the frame colors of the new models, giving us a glimpse of the new colors of the Galaxy S24 vanilla variants. These colors may be available only on the official Samsung website, and although some may find the new colors appealing, others may not. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may not appear to be much different from the S23 Ultra, but some reports say that Samsung may follow in Apple's footsteps and include a titanium frame in its highest-end model, even if it is not as obvious as Apple's iPhone 15 Pro series. It will nevertheless drastically reduce the weight of Samsung's powerful mobile devices, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which weighs 234 g, whereas Apple's largest flagship iPhone weighs between 221 and 240 g. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's frame is said to be made of titanium, which could make it more lightweight, but the Galaxy S23 Ultra already has a lightweight aluminum frame, so the difference may not be significant. Although Samsung typically employs the same AMOLED display across the Galaxy S family, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to have a brighter display with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, compared to the 1750 nits of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The display size and resolution, however, remain unchanged at 6.8 inches and 3800 by 1440, respectively. Overall, this is a little improvement that most people will not notice or require. So, even if Samsung employs titanium for its frame, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is already lightweight than the stainless steel iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra may be as well. Furthermore, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display may be brighter than that of its predecessor, making it an excellent alternative for those who prefer viewing videos or playing video games on their smartphones. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.